playing the scary maze game. It's a lot easier.
Yeah.
There's 3 levels. Once you pass the 3 level. Oh my god, you're slow.
Well, you know what? I don't want to mess up, okay? You know how long it took me to get past level 1?
Last time you didn't even make it to level 2, barely. Well, the mouse was messed up.
Oh god. Holy.
If you mess up, I'm gonna laugh so freaking hard. This...
What?
It's...
Are you kidding me?
last level.
What?
It's just not... I can see you messing up right now.
Shut up. Are we gonna pass this?
Yeah, whatever.
You don't even know. Whew.